Hello everyone. In this demo I'm going to show you how to use the cat command and the echo command. First, let's start with the cat command. Cat is the shortcut for the concatenate. It's basically fuse the content of the file and prints on the standard output. Let's do some example. If I would like to show the content of the file etc/passwd, so as we can see here, I type the cat command first, then /etc, then /passwd. I hit enter. As we can see here, we get the output and we show the content of this file. You can do another example for another file, etc/shadow. Hit enter. As we can see here, we can see the content of this file. I also can view the content of multiple files. For example, I have to write first the cat command, then f1.txt, then f2.txt. I hit enter. As we can see here, the first output for the first file, f1.txt, and the second output is for the second file, f2.txt. I can do it also for these two files, etc/passwd and etc/shadow. Hit enter. As we can see here, we got the output for both files. Clear? Now let's move on. If I would like to see the line numbers of a file, I can run the option, for example here, -n. So you can use this option, then the name of the file or the text file. Hit enter. As we can see over here, I can do the same thing here, -n, or for the month, and I hit enter. As we can see over here, this is the numbers, the line numbers of the file. Now I'm going to move on to the next command, the echo command. Echo command display a line of a text or a string on a standard output or a file. For example, if I would like to display a line of a text on a standard output, I'm going to type first the echo command, then I can write a text or a string, for example here, hello world, then exclamation mark, hit enter. As we can see over here, it's this command, display a line of a text or a string on the output or on a standard output or a file. Now we're gonna do the file. If I would like to redirect the operators to a file and not to standard output, I'm going to type echo first, then the string that I would like to redirect, hello, for example, hello world, exclamation mark. Then I'm going to use the sign space, sign greater than. Then I'm going to direct this outcome to a text file. So as we can see here, we have the echo command first, space, then the string, then space, then the sign greater than, then space, then the name of the file. Hit enter. Now I'm gonna do cat file.txt. As we can see here, we have the text that we redirect this text to the file.txt. If I would like to remove all the spaces in between the text, I can run the option -e, then between a quotation mark I'm going to type hello, and also I have to add /b. So the /b is to remove all the spaces in between the text. Then I'm going to type word, then I close the quotation and I hit enter. As we can see here, what we did, we removed all the spaces in between the text. Now if I would like to print files of a specific kind, echo, then I'm going to do for the text file. So I'm going to type star first, then .txt. So what I'm going to do in this command, I'm going to print all the files of the txt type. Then I hit enter. As we can see here, it's print or display a line of all the files for the .txt extension. If I would like to get more information about the command cat, I can go to the man page and I can find the options for this command, and the same thing for the command echo. You can find also all the options and details about this command. That's conclude our session. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.